is so cool.
This is their ghost coming.
What is that?
What are we looking at?
The ghost
Like
of Picnic
Pac-Man.
Past.
Oh gosh.
It's like dancing.
Oh, it's got an
Inside of
isopod. It has isopod
Oh,
inside
cool.
of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got to be related to Deepstaria. Wow.
Yeah, it must be. Because they have a resident isopod, I believe.
Yeah.
Would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for us meddling scientists.
I know.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it looks
It
like.
was an isopod driving a sheep.
Wow.
Oh gosh. This might be a 5.
Wait,
Incredible.
Yeah, this is cool.
Wow.
okay, I can tie it again.
It's a yeah. Oh, it's a 5. Wow.
We got like 100 photos.
What are the vein-looking things? The contour lines.
Could be a nerve net. Could be gastric channels.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Where'd the little brainy part go?
It's down at the bottom, I think.
It's going inside out now. Ooh.
Wow. Look how stretched out that network is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it was so bunched up
He's
earlier.
crawling around.
Hello. I'm surprised its feet don't pop through.
It's very gentle.
I did not sign up for this.
I don't know what it is.